your solar panels are in partial shade. So, how to keep energy flowing? Bypass diodes. They redirect current around shaded cells, preventing hot spots and keeping output stable. Diodes also play a critical protection role across power electronics. When a motor or relay turns off, its magnetic field collapses and the current has nowhere to go. That's where a flyback diode role comes. It provides a safe path for the current to decay and protects the electronics from damaging voltage spikes. From rectification and reverse polarity protection to signal steering and clamping, diodes quietly keep power systems safe and reliable. Designing robust power paths for solar or industrial systems? McKinsey Electronics supports you with the right diodes for stable, efficient operation.